We are here at Walgreens. COVID-19, everything's with a face mask now.
Making my beard not longer.
Yeah.
I cannot go to the barber shop yet.
I know. Hair's getting long. Look like a caveman.
Right.
Okay, so today's challenge is going to be kind of a katsu from Walgreens. You know, I have a few items here, Hiro, that you can pick up. Let's take a look.
Maybe I'll take this one.
Okay, you got meatloaf.
Meatloaf.
Okay. And what do you want on the outside?
For the outside crust, maybe one of this.
One of the cereals, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I really don't eat the cereal anyway.
You don't need too much cereal, right?
Which one good for? I don't know, but maybe this more simple one.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is very popular, the Kellogg's Frosted Flakes.
Yeah.
All right, let's try it, huh? Okay.
Good.
Hiro-san, how are you?
Hey, good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon to you. We are back from Walgreens again. Something that we wanted to make. Actually, I don't want to say we. I'll speak for myself. Something I wanted for you to try and make because obviously, again, it's hard to find things. If you're having a craving for certain things, and what can you make? But stop by Walgreens and see what's available. So as you saw today, Hiro, we picked up Stouffer's classic meatloaf.
Meatloaf.
Yes, and of course the Kellogg's Frosted Flakes. All right, some home ingredients we have here: eggs, maybe some flour there. Yeah, these are ingredients that you can find at your home. I'm sure very easily. Nothing special about it. Hiro-san, what are we making, and are you excited?
One of actually our favorite dish.
Okay.
Katsu.
Katsu, right? I love the katsu. So good.
This.
Japanese fried food is so very good. All right, Hiro, let's do it. What's the first step?
First step, this of course comes with the frozen, so I need to defrost first. So direction said this is putting the katsu open a little bit.
Cut some holes.
And 4 minutes and high, and after that, 5 minutes and a half.
Okay.
Do first this one. Like that.
Oh,
so basically,
mashed potatoes, and gravy.
Mashed potato with this one, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, after you cook, I want to separate sauce and meat too.
Okay.
So I need to cut a little bit open, right?
Yeah, just a hole. Just
This like this, right?
Yeah, just like that. Okay, that's quick and simple.
So next one, I need to open the film first, like this.
Wow.
So I'm gonna use the meat, right? So I'm gonna keep the sauce and the mashed potato in this container.
Okay.
So I'm just gonna pick up to the meat, and then of course the meat has a little sauces around, so I need to take out this sauce, because when you make the katsu, putting the coating, the water is not good. You know?
Okay.
So just taking off there.
So just pat it dry a little bit.
Yeah, that's a little taking off to the.
Okay.
Oh. Yeah, this is fine. Okay. Then I'm going to make a katsu with this one. Okay. So basically powder, egg, and usually panko.
Okay.
But today I'm going to use this one.
Frosted Flakes.
Flakes,
Okay.
right? Yeah.
Are you a cereal guy? Do you like cereal?
I never had a cereal in my lifetime.
Really? Wow. So you're missing what all Americans love to eat, Hiro. Cereal and milk.
This one?
Frosted Flakes, yeah. This is a very popular one.
With the milk?
Yeah, add some milk in there. I know you're not a big milk guy, but...
Yeah, only thing my weak point is the milk, with just a straight drink milk.
Okay.
Because my stomach is not.
We all have the
strong
same
for
issue,
the
right?
milk,
Yeah.
you know. But I can drink milk with a little bit with the coffee.
Okay.
Of course, in ice cream. But recently, even ice cream too. If I eat too much ice cream, no good.
Yeah.
Then I'm gonna smash in this a little bit.
Okay.
Just a little bit to make it smaller. This should be okay. I'm gonna start to heat it up the oil. Yeah, I think this is good. This is a very new challenging.
New challenge, new style of katsu.
Yeah, new style cuts.
Okay.
Okay. And I think we don't need a seasoning for this one, salt and pepper, because
Right.
the meat already has a lot of seasoning already inside. And the egg. One is enough, I guess. So first step, into the powder, I mean the flour. Go like that. And next one is egg. Then cornflake.
Oh, looks good already.
Maybe a little small on top. Looks good. Okay, let's start to fry up this one. So of course, inside already cooked already.
Yeah,
So you don't need to cook too much.
right. Just kind of make sure the outside's kind of crunchy, right?
So yeah, it looks like almost done. Even the inside of the meat is kind of, it's not really cold because right after from the microwave. So it's already, meat is already
It was
kinda
really
warm
hot.
too.
Sure.
So it's not really not stay longer. In the, yeah, see, even now, ready. Hey, go like that. Yeah, looking not bad. Okay, first I'm gonna put the rice here. Rice. Then, of course, the main ingredients. Meatloaf Katsu. Meatloaf Katsu.
In Japan, they have something called the Salisbury steak. Very similar, right? Meatloaf?
Yes.
Oh, that's a lot of crunch.
Okay, this one I'm going to, nice.
Yeah, take that out.
Yeah, I'm gonna put it here. Yeah, and then mashed potato. Here. Okay. And then the sauce. Come to here.
Okay.
Today it looks like a Uruito Katsu.
With the katsu, right? With frosted flakes.
Uruito Katsu series,
Yeah. Actually, here it looks like a pretty nice meal to me, if you ask me.
And then if you have some green parsley or something,
Oh yeah, that would be nice.
that'd be nice for color. Okay.
Yep.
Okay, so this is from the frozen meatloaf katsu, whatever.
Cornflakes. Yeah. Let me tell you what, I can't wait to try here. Well, thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you very
If
much.
you guys like the video at home, give it a thumbs up. Comment below, share it. Don't forget to subscribe. And you guys can do it at home. That's the main thing. Especially now we have all this time at home. Be safe, everyone. Take care. And see you in the next episode.
Thank you very much.
Hiro. Back to the tasting part.
Tasting parts.
Okay, Hiro-san, enjoy.
Okay. Let me get this one, the big one.
How's it?
That's good.
Really? Nice. Little white rice in there. How's the gravy? And the mashed
Gravy
potato.
not bad too. Yeah.
You like this more? Or you like the iguana more? You like this more? So many people hating on us for eating the iguana, Just don't understand people. I mean, it's an invasive species. I get it that you have a pet, and the pet, look, as long as you don't give an animal a name, you're okay to eat it. That's what I feel. Once you give of course, we're not talking about dogs. We're talking about, like, say, a chicken, a cow, or an iguana. Once you give it a name, of course, you should not eat. But iguanas are not native to South Florida. Someone brought them over from Central America, somewhere like that, South America. Anyway, that's great, Hiro. I'm glad you enjoyed it. How about the mashed potato? You want to try it?
Not bad.
Not bad, right? Okay. I'm going to try a piece too.
Yeah.
Because my finger is still trying to recover from that iguana bite. Unbelievable. If you guys haven't seen the video, it's actually quite entertaining, right? The thing jumping and biting my finger. Couldn't get away from it. Okay, let's take a look at this. So, did you taste anything sweet from the cornflakes from the outside?
Cornflakes is kind of, yeah, but I had to fry it, so little, not the bitter. I don't know what to say about it.
It's actually, it's very crunchy. The frosted flakes are crunchy. They start out very crunchy already. I don't really taste the sweetness. I taste more maybe the saltiness from the gravy.
But it's totally
It's good though.
not bad, right?
I would eat this. Very, very good and very simple. Well, thank you, Hiro.
Yeah, thank you very much. See you next time.
Bye-bye.